Hi guys. Today I am going to be copying other people and doing the backrooms trend. Okay. Here is the game. Type in your username if you want to be in